Worried about the security of your sliding glass doors? After testing dozens of locks, we've identified the 5 most reliable options that actually keep intruders out while being easy to operate. From basic deadbolts to advanced smart locks with remote monitoring, we've selected only those that provide real protection without compromising convenience. Each lock in this list has unique features that could be exactly what you need. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's begin. Now let's check out the Sliding Door Locks Childproof by BsBsBest. You know that constant worry about kids finding their way to the backyard through sliding doors? Or maybe you're just not feeling 100% secure with your current lock setup? I've been testing this lock for a while, and there's something pretty cool about it that caught my attention. What really makes this lock different is its hinge design. It's actually pretty clever. Think of it as an extra layer of security that kicks in when your regular lock isn't a noove. The best part? You won't need to pull out your toolbox for this one. It uses adhesive mounting, and honestly, it's as simple as peel and stick. I really like how it's clear too, so it doesn't mess with your door's look. Now, I should mention something I noticed during testing. The adhesive can be a bit finicky. If you don't clean the surface properly, and I mean really clean it, it might not stick as well as it should. But here's the thing. Once you get that prep work right, this lock isn't going anywhere. I've had mine up for months without any issues. What's really handy is how adjustable it is. I've tried it on different sized doors in my house, and it works great on all of them. It's actually made by Rishon Enterprises Inc., who've been making security products for over 20 years, and you can kind of tell they know what they're doing. Just keep in mind, it's specifically for glass doors, so if you're looking for something for your wooden sliding doors, you'll need to look elsewhere. But for glass doors, it does exactly what it promises. I've been reading through user reviews, and tons of people seem to be really happy with how long these locks last. Bottom line, if you're looking to add some extra security to your sliding glass doors, especially if you've got kids running around, this BsBsBest lock is worth checking out. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done without breaking the bank. I'll drop a link to the current price in the description below, so you can take a closer look. Let's dive into the DIIG Adjustable Window Security Bar, a standout option that's been gaining traction in home security circles. What immediately impressed me is its robust 1-inch diameter metal build. Having tested numerous security bars, this one stands out with its substantial feel, providing that reassuring sense of safety when you lock up for the night. A major advantage of this security bar is its versatility. It extends from approximately 17.7 to 50.5 inches, making it suitable for a variety of uses. Whether you're securing standard sliding doors or smaller windows, this bar adapts perfectly. Gone are the days of worrying about whether you've chosen the right size. This bar has you covered. Installation is a breeze, taking no more than 5 minutes. There's no need for drilling or complex setups. Simply adjust it to fit your door, and you're all set. The rubber tips offer excellent grip, and the double nuts ensure everything stays securely in place without damaging your door frame. However, there are a couple of minor points to consider. The safety pin can feel a bit loose, though it's easily fixed with a simple zip tie, which keeps it secure. Additionally, you'll need your own wrench to tighten the lock nut, as no tools are included. While slightly inconvenient, these issues are far from deal breakers. What truly sets this bar apart is its adaptability. Initially purchased for my sliding door, I found it so effective that I got another for a ground floor window. It's especially beneficial if you have pets or children, offering an extra layer of security. Plus, its portability makes it a great companion for stays at rentals or Airbnbs. In terms of user satisfaction, this security bar boasts a 4.7-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, which aligns with my personal experience. If you're interested in checking the current price and exploring more details, I've included all the links in the description below. The Caldever sliding window lock immediately grabbed my attention because it addresses a common concern, enhancing security without making your home feel like a fortress. If you've ever worried about the safety of your kids or pets around sliding doors, this lock offers a smart solution that really works. One of the standout features is its simplicity in installation. You don't need to set aside a whole afternoon or rummage through a toolbox. In just about 10 minutes, you can have it securely in place. Just attach it to the top or bottom rail, and you're good to go. Plus, the thoughtful addition of a rubber lining ensures your window tracks remain unscathed. I've put this lock through its paces, and its versatility is impressive. It fits both vertical and horizontal sliding windows, which is incredibly convenient. You can even adjust it to allow for ventilation while keeping your home secure, ideal for those warm summer nights when you want to breeze without compromising safety. Now, depending on your door's design, you might need to experiment a bit with the positioning to get it just right. But once it's properly installed, this aluminum alloy lock is incredibly robust. I've tested it with some forceful tugs, and it holds strong, giving you peace of mind. What truly sets this lock apart is its focus on chilled and pet safety. If you've ever had a scare with little ones near sliding doors, you'll appreciate this feature. It's also a great asset during storms, providing an extra layer of protection when the weather turns nasty. While browsing through user feedback, I noticed a few comments suggesting that with significant force, it might be compromised. However, for its price, it offers a level of security that will deter most threats. And if you encounter any issues, Caldever's customer support is known for being responsive and helpful. In summary, the Caldever sliding window lock is a reliable choice for those seeking affordable security. It's particularly beneficial for families with children or pets, and the straightforward installation is a major plus. Check out the link in the description for the current price and more details. Let me introduce you to the ZRFCXE adjustable security window locks, a fantastic solution for anyone worried about leaving their sliding doors or windows slightly open for ventilation. If you've ever felt uneasy about the security of your home while trying to enjoy a breeze, these locks are a game changer. They allow you to keep your windows ajar without compromising safety, which is especially reassuring if you have children or pets. One of the standout features of these locks is their ease of installation. Even if you're not particularly handy, you'll find these locks a breeze to set up. There's no need for drilling or special tools, just follow a few simple steps, and you're all set. This simplicity is a huge plus if you're looking to secure multiple windows quickly. The dual fixing holes are a clever design choice, providing extra stability. I put them to the test by applying some pressure, and they held firm, offering peace of mind whether you're away or asleep. However, it's important to note that these locks aren't universal. They require a track height greater than 0.48 inches and a width under 0.61 inches. So, it's wise to measure your windows before purchasing to ensure compatibility. While these locks might not win any decent awards, their straightforward appearance is a small trade-off for the security they provide. They're not about aesthetics, they're about keeping your home safe. After using these locks for some time, I can confidently say they're a reliable choice for anyone seeking affordable security. They're particularly beneficial for households with kids or pets, or for anyone wanting an extra layer of protection without the hassle of complex installations. If you're interested in learning more, or checking the current price, I've included a link in the description below. Let's dive into the BsBsBest sliding door security bar, a fantastic choice for those seeking to bolster the security of their sliding doors or windows. If you're concerned about the safety of your home and want an ESI solution, this security bar is a great option. One of its standout features is its adjustable length, ranging from 16.5 to 51 inches, making it versatile enough to fit almost any door or window size. A major advantage of this security bar is its dual functionality. You can use it for both sliding doors and windows, addressing a common concern for those looking for adaptable security solutions. The construction is robust, crafted from alloy iron with an electrostatic coating that prevents rust, ensuring durability over time. However, it's worth noting that you'll need to manually adjust it each time you use it. While this might be a minor inconvenience if you're frequently opening and closing your doors, the rubber ends provide a secure grip without damaging your door frame once it's in place, which is exactly what you need for peace of mind. Another benefit is its subtle design. The neutral color blends seamlessly with most door frames, so it won't disrupt the aesthetic of your home. This is a significant plus for those who value both security and style. Feedback from other users has been overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its ease of installation and sturdy feel. Plus, BsBsBest offers responsive customer service, which is always a reassuring backup if you encounter any issues. In summary, if you're in the market for a reliable and cost-effective way to enhance the security of your sliding doors, the BsBsBest sliding door security bar is definitely worth considering. It's straightforward, effective, and provides that extra layer of security that brings peace of mind. For more details and the current price, check out the link in the description below.